Hello everyone and welcome to TNV Academy. Today we are going to discuss a crucial aspect of laboratory operations, ensuring quality in processes as outlined in ISO 17025. Quality in laboratory processes is paramount for producing reliable tests and calibration results, meeting customer requirements and maintaining compliance with international standards. Importance of quality in processes. Before we delve into the specifics of ISO 17025, let's understand why quality in laboratory processes is so vital. Quality processes ensure consistency, accuracy, reliability, and traceability in testing and calibration activities. They also minimize errors, reduce variability, and enhance customer satisfaction. ISO 17025 is the international standard that sets out the general requirements for the competence of testing and calibration laboratories. It provides a framework for laboratories to establish, implement, maintain, and continually improve their quality management systems and processes. Quality policy and objectives. ISO 17025 requires laboratories to define a quality policy and objectives that reflect their commitment to quality and compliance with the standard. The quality policy should be communicated, understood, and implemented at all levels of the organization. Process-based approach. ISO 17025 emphasizes a process-based approach to quality management. Laboratories are encouraged to view their operations as interconnected processes that collectively contribute to the achievement of quality objectives. This approach promotes efficiency, effectiveness, and continual improvement. Planning and control of processes. One of the key requirements of ISO 17025 is the planning and control of processes. Laboratories must establish and maintain documented procedures for all processes relevant to the quality management system. This includes identifying processes inputs, activities, outputs, resources, and controls. Risk-based thinking. ISO 17025 encourages laboratories to adopt a risk-based approach to process management. This involves identifying, assessing, and mitigating risks that could affect the quality of test and calibration results. By proactively addressing risks, laboratories can enhance process effectiveness and reliability. Process monitoring and measurement. Monitoring and measurement of processes are essential for evaluating performance, identifying deviations, and implementing necessary improvements. Laboratories must establish metrics, indicators, and performance criteria to monitor process effectiveness and efficiency. Non-conformities and corrective actions. Inevitably, there may be instances where processes do not conform to requirements. ISO 17025 requires laboratories to establish procedures for identifying, documenting, and addressing non-conformities. Corrective and preventive actions must be implemented to address root cause and prevent recurrence. Continual improvement. Continuous improvement is a fundamental principle of ISO 17025. Laboratories must continually monitor, analyze, and improve their processes to enhance performance, meet changing customer needs, and adapt to technological advancement. Documentation and records. Effective documentation and record keeping are essential for ensuring traceability, accountability, and transparency in laboratory processes. ISO 17025 requires laboratories to maintain comprehensive records of their processes, activities, and decisions. Training and competence. Quality in laboratory processes is also dependent on the competence of personnel involved. ISO 17025 mandates that laboratories ensure the competency of personnel performing testing and calibration activities through appropriate training, education, and experience. Customer focus. Ultimately, the goal of ensuring quality in laboratory processes is to meet customer requirements and expectations. ISO 17025 emphasizes the importance of customer focus and satisfaction, requiring laboratories to understand and fulfill customer needs while maintaining impartiality and confidentiality. In conclusion, ISO 17025 provides a robust framework for ensuring quality in laboratory processes. By adhering to the standards requirements, laboratories can establish effective quality management systems, enhance process performance, and consistently deliver reliable test and calibration results. Now I welcome any questions you may have. Thank you for your attention and engagement. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.